put the traveling time steps together. So you are going to do a set of singles, one going right, one going left, a set of doubles, one going right, one going left, and then 2 sets of triples, right, left, right, left. The reason we do 2 sets of triples is because we are filling in a complete phrase of music. If we just did 1 set, you wouldn't have that complete phrase. You could also make up a break that would go after the triple, and that would work too. But we're just going to do 2 sets of triples. So walking through this whole section, we are doing 1 complete set of singles, 1 complete set of doubles, 2 complete sets of triples. So you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, step, shuffle, step, double, shuffle, ball change, hop, ball, lap, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, ball, lap, shuffle, step, triple, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, double, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, double, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, double, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. Five, 6, 7, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, ball change, hop,